The people I work with come from all walks of life, and the common thing is that most of them didn't know why they were coming in the first place. They just saw something about it and it drew them, it caught their interest. People see Tai Chi and there's something that draws them. They think it's beautiful, but they don't know how much more it's going to serve them as they learn more about it. I mean, we all have stresses in our life, and so it might be just general day-to-day stress and anxiety. It could be, the job that you're working has physical strain on you or mental strain on you. It could be that you have a physical challenge or an illness or something that is making your life more difficult. And just about any of these things, whether it's physical, emotional, mental, or spiritual, can be impacting your life in a way that's causing you to struggle. The way that Tai Chi improves your life is kind of full of opposites. So it helps you feel stronger and yet more relaxed. So on a physical level, it addresses how you use your body so that you're using it with more ease and yet with more efficiency. And on an emotional level, you breathe, you calm, you center, you ground yourself, and you feel energized. And those happen to be the 5 words of self-composure that from Sam Masich that we infuse into all of our movements. Anything that you do, Tai Chi will enhance. It creates this self-awareness of how your body can work. So Tai Chi is like this incredibly intelligent functioning of the body. So it's using the ultimate mechanics of the body, but in a very organic way. I don't know why we don't get to just learn this automatically, or why we don't just know it automatically, but we don't. And Tai Chi brings that to us. Tai Chi has been a part of my life for so long that I often take for granted that people don't really know what it is. And Tai Chi was developed in China, so I'm very, very grateful for what was given to us from the ancient masters in China, that it has been made beautifully available to people around the world and something that everyone can practice. In Tai Chi Life, you'll be learning the Yang family style of Tai Chi, which is one of the most practiced styles throughout the world. And you'll be learning through me what I've learned through Master Sam Masich, who, when I started learning from him, it filled in all kinds of gaps that I had been previously missing in my Tai Chi journey. With Tai Chi Life, we've made it very practical and manageable to apply what you learn in class to everything throughout your day, so that you're not just learning something that you use in class and then go away. This is something that becomes a part of you, that becomes a part of how you move, how you think, how you feel, how you manage things. So you might feel that in your life right now, you're not doing enough for you, that you're busy doing all of these things for everyone else, but you're not putting yourself first. And one way that you can do that is by paying attention to your own body, to your own emotions, and how they work together. And so through the practice of Tai Chi, you are putting those things together, and you're using your brain, you're exercising your physical body and your emotional body, so that you can feel a greater sense of wholeness, so that you can feel a greater sense of self, so that you can then give more of yourself to others. I'm Wendy Williams, and this is Tai Chi Life, and I would love for you to book a call with me so we can chat about where you are in your life right now and what directions you would like to take. I know what it's like to think about pressing that button to book a call with somebody and not really wanting to, but you will actually talk directly with me, and you can pick a time that works for you, and I would just love to chat. Find out, I cared very deeply about all of my students, and so I start by finding out where you are in your life, what issues you might be working on, where you want to go with things, what are your passions and interests and hobbies, and how can Tai Chi help you enhance those things for you. Book a call with me. I look forward to chatting.